Going into Houston, the first round of the East Coast 250 regional class, we still have some injuries to talk about. Obviously 450s that are reoccurring, and now moving into the 250 side, well, different guys. Again, starting with 450s, obviously, we've got Brandon Hartraff, who will be out indefinitely, but that's just a thing we're going to have to keep talking about because he is injured and technically he still counts. Marvin Muscan, again, out with his hurt wrist. He'll be out at least for Houston and Tampa, and the team says hopefully they'll have another update after that. So who knows how long he's going to be gone? Who knows how serious it is? No idea. Justin Rodbell still out with the torn Achilles. And the new 450 news of this week, Malcolm Stewart out indefinitely with the knee surgery that he's going to, or with the knee injury and the surgery that he's going to be having to take or undergo for it. So he's out indefinitely. Sucks. Moving over to the East Coast side of things, because obviously we are to the 250 East Coast side. Seth Hammaker out, fractured arm. So who knows? Who knows how long he's going to be out? Obviously, you're going to have to let it heal and then get strength back in your arm / in your conditioning back up. What else do we got here? Carson Mumford out with a wrist injury. David Pulley out with knee, sternum, ribs. Nick Romano, who was supposed to be racing the East Coast, but apparently has some undisclosed injury, so he'll be waiting. Joe Shimoda, who broke his collarbone, out. Jalik Swoll, who broke his arm horribly, he's out. And Marshall Welton is in. So that's the East Coast injury update. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things you can on this platform because it really helps me and I appreciate it. Comment down below whatever you want, who you think is going to win, whatever you wish. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.